Today, I will tell you 20 most useful websites, web application which will be really helpful for you all. So let's start. So the first website is www.tribnote.com. Here you can send a message which will be self-destruct after the receiver read it. Email sometimes cannot be private enough and sometimes you just forget to delete sensitive information. This is an easy way to make sure there is no data recovery of intentionally sensitive notes. The second one is similarsites.com. Here you can discover new sites that are similar to what you like already. Suppose you like a site and you found some loopholes in this and you want some other sites related to this site, then you can find here. And the next is pixabay.com. Here you can download copyright free images and you can use it anywhere, like for blogging, YouTubing and anything else. And the next one is mega.nz. Well, Dropbox and Google Drive limit your storage online after a mere 15 GBs. Mega gives you 50 GB of free storage after you create an account. It is secure and runs on all the platforms. And the next is earth.google.com. With the help of this site, you can explore beautiful cities, landmarks, and orbit the world in 3D from the comfort of your browser. And the next is copycare.cc. Here you can copy special character and emojis that aren't on your keyboard and paste it where you want. And the next is unsplash.com. It is the best place to download images absolutely free. And the eighth number is cleanpng.com, where you will get almost all types of transparent images which you can use for your website and YouTube thumbnails. And the ninth number is pdfescape.com. This PDF editor lets you easily edit a PDF or a PDF form online without using Adobe Acrobat or any other software, and it's absolutely free. And the tenth number is joti.org. With the help of this website, you can scan your any suspicious file or email attachments for viruses. And the 11th number is eggtimer.com. This is a simple online timer for your daily need. Here you can set timer for any work. Number 12 is dictation.io. It accurately converts your speech into text in real time. It allows you to add smileys, paragraphs, and even punctuations using the voice command. And the next is fast.com. You can check the current speed of your internet connection on this website that is minimal and to the point. And the next is computerhub.com. If you are a computer user and want to learn more things, tips, tricks and shortcuts which will help you to keep your hand fast on computer, then this website will help you to learn more about computer and improve your knowledge on the computer. And the next is duckduckgo.com, a search engine that doesn't track you or store any personal information about you like Google and any other search engines. And the next is 10minutemail.com. This website allows you to send any unknown mail to anyone, and the email will be automatically deleted after some time. And the number 17 is WeTransfer.com. It allows you to send such a big files over the internet to your colleagues and to the offices. And the next is onlineocr.net. It scan your PDF and convert it into text formats. And the next is corruptafile.net. You can use this free online service to corrupt a file on purpose and let the computer take all the blame. And the number 20 is Canva.com. Create beautiful designs for web or print blog graphics, Facebook covers, flyers, posters, invitations, and much more with Canva.com.